Now, the most fun and challenging part of the self-installation is the Cat5 cable clamping. This is where you attach the Cat5 endings onto the Cat5 cable. We're gonna use all the equipment that is in your kit, except for scissors. Scissors is something that we hope you have already, and this is going to be used just to cut one of the strings in the wiring. So first step, go ahead and take an ample amount of wire and measure it about 2 inches away from the end of it. Use the very last slit, and we're going to score the wire in order to strip it and reveal the wiring inside. This is done very gently. No need to squeeze hard or rotate it more than once, and just slide it off the wiring. Now you see this pull string. This is where you're actually gonna go ahead and use your scissors. You won't need this pull string unless you're intending on pulling the wire through tight spaces, that you might want to hang on to it until you have the end secured on it. Now, the lengths of this wire will actually help us to untwist it and manage it, because we're going to have to reorder them a little bit. Now, the order is very important, so here it goes. Ready? It's a striped orange, striped green, solid blue, striped blue, then solid green, striped brown, and then brown. This is the order from left to right. Go ahead and make sure that these align very well when you bring them together from fanning. And when you pinch them, right about when you're about to cut, make sure again that the order is proper. It's very important to have proper order, because remember, all these wirings have to align with another end of it. So go ahead and clip it, make sure it's even. Before sliding it in, make sure that the tongue of the end is facing the earth downward, and gently slide it in. Make sure that the order hasn't changed. Once it's in, go ahead and securely, firmly press it together inside of it. Make sure again the tongue is facing downward towards earth. Go ahead and use your clamping tool. That's going to be your very last clamp slot facing away from you. Go ahead and clamp it. And it should be in there securely. Go ahead and gently pull on it. Make sure it's all in there. You don't have to pull hard. And let's test out if this installation has been done properly by plugging in our testing kits. Plug in the wire into the Cat5 input and turn on the unit. Now, if all goes well, the green light will light up from all these channels. If one of the channels lights do not light up, that means the wiring is misaligned. You will have to clip the end of the wires and do it all over again.